This brand offers purifiers with air quality sensors where the fan can be automatically controlled based on the room's air quality. The units can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon. The HSP001 model is a 4-stage air purifier with a 700 square feet coverage area and a 9 CFM delivery rate, while the HSP002 has 5 stages, a 1,500 square feet coverage area, and a 265 CFM delivery rate. The HSP003 model is a basic 3-stage air purifier, while the HSE1500 model has 4 stages, a 1,500 square feet coverage, and a 250 CFM delivery rate. The Harmony 600, HSE60 model is a desktop purifier with 4 stages of purification and a 600 square feet coverage area. The brand is backed by a good warranty that includes a 60-day money-back guarantee. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.